welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you mower wheels. Let's open it and see what we have inside the box. Wow, check this out. This is the first one. Here is the second one. It has a great quality and very sturdy. Inside is metal. This is for the self-propelled mowers. Let's check it out. It is very balanced, as you see. I can definitely suggest these products. It's because they are very sturdy and strong. You can replace your mower wheels with these. Let's check the sizes. This is 1 inch inside, and this is 1.8 almost. It's about 8 inches. How about here? This is 0.5 inch. And this area is 1 inch.